I just want to do a quick video before I really start putting on all the wiring and plastics and airbox and all that good stuff, because it just looks so clean right now, naked. Um, I upgraded every nut and bolt. I decided not to just take off the original and re-zinc. So these would have been like, I believe, 9s. These are 10.9s now. Everywhere has been upgraded throughout the whole bike. All the bolts. So I got the engine mounted in just now, and everything just looks so beautiful. Every single nut and bolt on it completely redone for a much higher strength. Although, Honda, on their race bikes, they did use good nuts and bolts. Like I said, like 9s for the big ones and stuff. And there's that original toolbox that has absolutely no cracking to it. Everything still works really well. It's super neat. These things are so hard to find. Every nut and bolt. And then, on this bike, just like the rest of the bikes I do, I'm going for the resto mod, polished look. See there, down there, everything's been polished. The forks, on the ATC, it had a black top for the triple tree, but the bottom has been polished. Mirror-like finish. I even polished the, I guess you call that wishbone down here, polished shock, polished swing arm, skid plate. Everything on this bike that is polishable is polished and will be polished. The other plate that goes right under here will be polished. So yeah, it is turning out really, really nice. This is the nicest three-wheeler that I've done yet to date.